Hi everybody, this is Miss Castañeda here with another video. Today is Friday. It's actually Good Friday, so students did not have to come to school today, but as you can see, I'm here. Okay, because you gotta get this done, and our countdown starts Monday. Okay, so we're talking about the best fit line, and I am looking out of your countdown packet, and I am on page 2. You can't see that, but I'm on page 2. Alright, so we're going to talk about a best fit line. I'm actually going to go to 1. So, page 1, okay, I've got these points, and this isn't, they're not connected, not like these are anyway. Okay, these are connected. These are discrete because they're not connected. Okay, I don't know if my super dirty, that's super blurry. Not sure why. Okay, so they're not connected. So we're gonna make a best. We're gonna try to see if this is what kind of correlation this is. Okay, because it's not connected. I can see they're all kind of going in this direction. Okay. So that would be a negative correlation, right? When they're going down like that, negative. Positive goes like this, okay? Positive, negative. No correlation would be that they're everywhere. And I'll show you nonlinear in just a minute. So just from looking at this, we can say this would be a negative correlation, okay? And we're talking about the number of incidences and the number of years, safety. So is that associative or causation? Does the number of incidents reported cause the number of years? I'm sorry, does the number of years cause that? Okay. Probably that would be associative. Okay. Because they are just they're related, but it doesn't cause one another. So that's the first part. So now we're going to go to page 2, and from this, one of the things they might ask you is what, they're going to ask you like what's the correlation, would be negative, and they would want you to estimate the y-intercept. So it would be maybe 30, this is 36, this is probably 30, maybe 38. You know, something like 12 wouldn't make any sense. Okay? So again, this is a negative correlation that goes in this direction, that would be positive. If it's everywhere, that would be no correlation. Okay, the points were just everywhere. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to do the best fit line. You are going to need a calculator for this. Okay, and I'm going to actually have you write down the steps. So, please write them in your booklet. Here are the steps. I actually need to grab a calculator, so let me go get that. Your first step would be to make a new document. What in the world? What did I do? Okay. Alright, so here are your steps. First thing is new document. Okay. And the one we're going to go to is we're going to go to list and spreadsheets. So your second step is number 4, list. Okay. Once you press that one, you're going to make a table. So for A, you need to put X. For B, you need to put Y. Okay. We're going to put in this table right here. So for this where it says A, you need to put X. And for B, you need to put Y. Do not put anything here. Do not, because that's where the equation goes, but we don't have the equation. So do not put anything there. Do not put anything here. And let's type it in. -3, enter. -2, enter. -1, enter. So the first step would be to put your list in there. and then 0, enter, or 1, enter. Very, very important that you don't put anything here, and then you push enter for each one. So -1, enter, -2, enter, -1, enter, 2, enter. Okay? So after you make your list, you're going to go to add a document. So you're going to press Control and then Doc. Okay, it's right above menu. So Control and then Doc. From here, you're going to go to your 6th step would be to go to number 5, data. Okay, so again, I went to the first thing I did with the list, put my list in there, and then I'm going to go to data. Okay, there are my points. So what you need to do is, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So come over here, okay, use the little mouse pad, okay, and so when you see this come up, it says click to add variable. You're going to click it, and you're going to select x. Okay, and it should move. You're going to go up here, click it, just like it says, and then this one should be y. And there are your points. So I'm going to give you a chance to do that. One more time. I went down here, I clicked X down here, and Y over here, and the points moved. So then from here, I need to figure out which one of these 3 I have. Do I have a linear, quadratic, or exponential? Which one does this look like? If it goes like this, which one does it look like? It looks like the quadratic. So what I'm going to do next is, don't forget that select X for horizontal, select Y for the vertical, and then here's your step 8. You're going to go to menu, step 9, you're going to go to analyze. If you ever get stuck, you don't know what to do on the calculator, just press menu, go to analyze, and then you're going to go to regression. Please make sure you take your notes. Now, here you have some options. If it's a line that looks like this, the points look like this, then you're going to select number 1. Okay? If it looks like this, you're going to select quadratic, which is number 4. If it looks like this one, then you're going to select number 8. Okay? So for mine, it looks like the quadratic, so I select 6. It tells me my equation right there. Okay? Wait a minute. Did I? Oh, shoot. I picked 4, right? There it is. Okay. I think I picked the wrong one. There's my equation right there. Okay? Y equals, so this one was quadratic, and my equation is y equals 1x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay? Alright, and so you're going to practice with the rest of this page. And you can do this anytime you've got points in a table, in a graph, to get the equation.